Wow, somebody's already passed out. Maybe food coma or something. Hey, alright, cool guys. How's it looking?
Hello,
Okay, alright, so.
precious subscribers and fans.
Alright, cool. Thank you, sir. Thanks, Chef Brahmsy. Thank you, Chef Nikki.
Alright, so
Wow, that looks awesome. It smells wonderful in here, guys.
yeah, so you see it's coming to a boil. You can see the little boil there. Once you see that, you know that you can add the garlic.
Okay, time to garnish it. Okay, and you got coriander and
Let's do
basil
yours.
leaves.
Coriander, basil leaf,
To be
they're just
honest-
mixed together right now.
Alright, you can help your bro out so he doesn't burn himself again. Alrighty. Watch your fingers.
Alrighty then, we're getting stuck.
Okay.
Alright, now
Give that a good little mix.
Give that a good
Alright,
little
wow,
mix.
now that is some good Chinese soup. Anything else we could have added in this, fellas?
Oh, you
If
can
you
add
add
any soy sauce. Or, you
Okay.
know, you can add some ketchup as a joke. Maybe.
No, we're definitely not adding ketchup.
We're definitely not adding
We're
it.
definitely not
Okay.
adding ketchup. It's a joke. guys.
Okay, cool.
Do not
Alright.
add ketchup.
So
it's-
this,
Okay, we could have made it spicy though, right?
Yeah.
If you wanted
Yeah.
to. This is not going to be spicy because we're not going to
I don't like spicy food.
burn our colons or whatever. Alright, anyway, so there we go. All done.
that's
A
your
wrap.
searfish / kingfish soup.
Alright, Schezwan style.
Peace out.
Peace.